In this video, I'm going to show you how to format a USB drive on your Macintosh. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Start by plugging the USB drive into your Mac. Next thing is we need the disk utility. The easiest way to find it is to hit the search icon at the top right of the screen and type in disk utility. If you'd rather browse for it, click on apps, then click on utilities, and it'll show up there. Either way works fine. Once it's open, look at the left-hand side under external. Your USB should show up there. Click on it to select it. Up in the top toolbar, find Erase and click it. Just a quick heads up, before you go any further, formatting wipes everything on the drive. There's no getting anything back afterwards, so if there's anything on there worth keeping, copy it somewhere safe first. But if you're good to go, let's erase it. You'll get a prompt to name the drive. I'm gonna go with Batty over here for this one, and then pick a format. exFAT is my go-to since it plays nicely across different systems. Hit erase again to kick off the process. It's quick. Once it wraps up, click done. Your drive is now formatted. And you'll see the details right there in the disk utility. That's the whole process. If this was helpful, drop a like before you go. See you in the next video.